my name is Burton Kelso. Guess what? I'm an IT guy. But unfortunately, like when I was growing up in school, the short black guy was never picked for sports, women, or anything else. And unfortunately, that happens in the IT industry. That, ladies and gentlemen, is that the people look for when they're looking for an IT guy. Not necessarily that heavy set, but at the same time, the white male is the dominant IT guy. And it's unfortunate because 60% of IT is full of white men. That excludes African Americans, my other brown people, and women. Show of hands, when's the last time you've seen a woman IT person? And it's even, come on now, that's not enough. But anyway, even at the executive level, 80% of executives, as you can tell from that current picture of the board of IBM, are white men. So obviously there is a problem in the IT industry, and it has to deal with unconscious bias. And I know everyone's been hearing that term, and you're probably thinking, I don't have unconscious bias. That's not me. What is that? Is Burton making up a term? So you're doubting yourself. There's no way that I'm biased. But truth be told, I hate to tell you, everyone in this room has been suffering brainwashing, and you are victims of unconscious bias. And I'll show you the ways. Let's say you're in HR and this pretty couple shows up. You're likely to hire these people, right? They look good, they're dressed well, they're perfect employees, correct? Well, no. Remember, not Jeffrey Dahmer, but he's a good-looking guy. But anyway, serial killers have good looks, right? Same thing with women. Pet owners. If you're a pet owner, like, oh man, they own a cat, they own a dog. They can't be vicious people. But remember, Michael Vick also was a dog owner. Am I right? And in the IT industry, look at Bill Gates. He's like the epitome of what is essential as far as being a tech leader, right? Bill Gates invented Microsoft. So how could that guy be wrong? And it puts it in your mind that Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, which is on the screen, these are the people that we want leading our IT company. But truth be told, we all know Steve Jobs was an asshole, correct? He wouldn't even claim his own kid. And this idiot Zuckerberg, he's all about addiction to technology. You think Facebook is designed to help you out? This bozo here wants to take his billions and keep you sucked in to technology. So how can you say that these three prominent white men are about making things better for your IT department? Does anyone know who this guy is? Jerry Lawson created the first video game system with removable cartridges. No one knew that, did they? Atari stole his technology. Hedy Lamarr, you familiar with Hedy Lamarr if you like old movies? Did you know Hedy Lamarr created Wi-Fi back in the 40s? There's like one lady in here going, yes, Hedy did it. None of you ladies knew that. And I know. And finally, Lonnie Johnson. Guess what this black guy did? The Super Soaker! Who said that? Bingo! And you know black people don't swim, right? So Lonnie came up with a different way so people could swim, right? But we can't complain about what's going on in the IT industry as far as diversity. We've got to come up with solutions. So there's three key things that I am going to mention that you need to do to add some inclusion and diversity, not only with brown people like myself, but also women as well. So number one, don't always go on certifications and certificates because IT is unregulated and you are missing out on a ton of talent when it comes to just looking at people who have passed their certifications. I am one of them. I've been in business 29 years. I never have a tech degree. Number two is that you've got to manage bias in your workplace. Do you know even on site as an IT professional how many racist jokes and unethical jokes that I've heard? So you've got to manage that in your workplace so that your diversified staff feels comfortable. And then finally, you've got to have diversified recruiters. So if you have an all-white or an all-woman IT, or not IT, but HR staff, you're not going to get the diversity that you want. In conclusion, diversity is about all of us achieving the ultimate goal of living our dreams. How dare anyone try to deny that from anybody on the face of this earth? Anybody from any country all wants to earn a living. So let's have hope that our IT diversity will occur, because without a diverse IT, you're missing out on many opportunities and ideas that your company can explore. Thank you.